Today we are going to install an outlet on this terrace for a TV. The outdoor outlet will be powered from this indoor outlet. This outlet is powered, and the two yellow lights indicate that it is properly installed. We're going to connect this instrument to locate the breaker in the electrical panel. These instruments communicate with each other. Now we will head to the electrical panel to locate the breaker for this circuit. The instrument sounds in almost all of them, but by lowering the intensity on the instrument, we can locate the breaker corresponding to that circuit. It's buzzing here in these two breakers. We lowered the intensity even further to see exactly which one it is, and we see that it's this one. And when we turn off the breaker in the electrical panel, the outlet becomes de-energized. Now we're going to disconnect this outlet. We reconnected the power to check the loose black wire in the box, and we see that it is the live wire that came loose from the outlet. We turn off the power again. We make a hole in the bottom of the existing box to reach the exterior wall. Drill through the exterior wall through the opening in the box. We'll put the new outlet here. For the TV that will go here, today we will leave this box exposed, but later we will put the box inside the wall. We have already run the cable from the indoor outlet. We've already installed it here, the ground wire on the green one, the neutral wire on the silver screw, and the live black wire goes on the black screw. On the line side of the outlet, it wasn't visible, but we also connected the green screw to the ground on the outer box. We mount the outlet in the box. We installed this waterproof cover over the box. Upon installing it in the indoor outlet, we see that there are two wires connected to the gold screw, and we need to add this black wire, which will power the outdoor outlet. Let's disconnect these two. We've now connected these two, which were here on the live side of the outlet, and we connect the black wire, which goes to the outdoor outlet, to these two, and we're going to connect this pigtail here as well. To install the pigtail on the outlet, and we connect the pigtail to the gold screw on the outlet. We connect the ground to this ground here, and we'll install the neutral white here with this one. Finally, we join all the ground wires together, all the live wires together, and all the neutral wires together. To install just one of each in the outlet, the ground here, the live wire here, and the neutral here, we have reconnected the power. Now we're going outside. Let's test to see if we have power. There is no power. It would seem that something is wrong. But no, the problem is that these types of GFCI outlets need to be reset when they come from the factory. This button here says reset. We press it, and now both yellow lights on the tester have lit up. Here we see that it is correct because both yellow bulbs are lit. We are seeing the green light on the outlet illuminated, indicating that there is voltage. Now we will check if there is voltage. We turn it on here. And we have 122 volts, the same voltage as the outlet inside. Everything is perfect. We can see it here. Let's put up the TV bracket. Here is the TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and check out our membership. Thanks.